Good morning. Today is September 30th, and it's nice to wake up to some clear skies. And the other thing I got to say is, directly behind me, the air blower. It's good to hear him too, because he is getting ready for the miniature golf to be kicking on at the volcano. So today I think I'm going to go back over to Disney Springs. The parks are reopening. Go around there, see what it looks like. They're getting everything back up to shape. So let's go. Making it to Disney Springs Lime Garage, and look at this. This is about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and it is packed. So the parks are going to open in a little bit. I think they open at 11 for people that aren't staying at the resorts, but all right, let's go inside. And we are back, heading out the Lime Garage. Got stopped by security. Polite pig, smelling polite. Gonna make our way over to Gideons. So it is a madhouse, but good to be out, and I think everybody else feels the same way. So we're gonna go to Gideons right now, and then go eat some lunch and see what else we can find out, or see if any of the storm remnants are left over. Heading over to Gideons by the Raglan Road. And, this line looks like it is pretty insane. Holy jeez, how far does that go? It's gonna be a long one. Wraps all the way back there, so that's probably about a good 45 minutes. So we got in the virtual queue at Gideons. It's 50 minutes over by Jacques Lindsay's, but thought I'd stop by the old Sassagoula steamboats. All boat services operate from the marketplace. And look at this. They got their first customers for the balloon. And it is a little bit windy still. All right, it's gonna go up soon. Cirque du Soleil starting again today. Over there in the tent. Nice to see all the birds out again too, especially after 2 days of the hurricane, the darkness. So since Gideons was so long, we went to the Ganachery. Got a box of 6. This cost $17. And this is what we got. So a box of 6 for 17 bucks. Dark chocolate, peanut butter, and caramel and raspberry. Do yourself a favor, fix them up. There's the old Reggie right there, waiting for Jacques Lindsay's to open. And look at this at the boathouse. I haven't seen this before. Little boat. That thing looks like a lot of fun, but I also spotted that bird out there trying to sun his wings on the wall, on the ball. Getting everything ready at the outside bar for a full day. Oh, there he goes. Now he's looking good. Wings fully extended. After the last 2 days, it's gonna take a while to dry those out. Look at him and the boat and the mini boat, both in the same frame over by the dockside bar. They don't have any amphibicars out yet, but this guy just sunning it away. We made our way back to Gideons, and anybody is welcome. Hello, dog. Hello. So they started cooking about 18 hours ago, they said, through the hurricane, so they're very limited, but thank goodness it's all gonna be fresh. And on the final shelf, it shows some of the candles that they have. So here's a limited edition peanut butter crunch, chocolate chip banana bread, chocolate coffee cake, and the peanut butter crunch. Here's the key lime pie. Gonna get a slice of the peanut butter right here. And this one is the red velvet color. They have a cookies and cream, pistachio. Well, we went to Gideons and it was well worth it. We got almost everything we wanted. Peanut butter nitro brew and the virtual queue worked out really well. Looks like the hangar bar is about to open. Definitely have to stop by there on this trip. I'll show you inside there too. It is packed here. It looks like everybody and their mother want to be out after the hurricane, but I got my Flight Pig Hazy IPA. Watching the crank. There's a little person over there trying to crank the water up. That thing is a real work on your upper arms, that's for sure. But yeah, there's no humidity. What a great day to be at the Springs. This girl just got a little help from her friend, so now they're getting this thing really cranking up there. You can see it right between the top. I don't know why this amazes me so much, but it really does. I don't like doing it, but I do like watching it. Go. Spin. Faster. Go. Go. We need the water. There it goes. That thing actually looks deadly. Like a corkscrew of blades. Now made it in the tunnel that connects the shops from Orange Garage to Lime Garage, and for some reason Disney's quite heavy on the techno. But it is better than being outside, so this is the other way. That's where the AMC is. While waiting at the fountain, one thing I haven't ever noticed, look up here in the rafters. World. The birds. There's nothing on that one. And it looks like Thumper right there. Oh, look at the rafters. You never see that if you never even looked up. Finally made my way back to the hangar bar, and yes, they are open. So let's go inside. Seat yourself. Left Doc Lindsay's and went to the Boathouse instead. Got an old fashioned, some truffle fries. And I'm safe to say we made the right decision. And the boat inside the restaurant. Just went into T-Rex. The kitchen of fire, and need to find the restroom, and it's right here through the ice cave. He got stuck here in the ice cave. Whoa, prehistoric restrooms. The Amethyst Gorge. While I wait, I gotta say, just talking about to use the restroom, and you do go to the ice cave. This place is really cool. I didn't think I'd like it as much as I did. I've been to the Rainforest Cafe plenty of times, but this place, a little pricey it looked like compared to some of the other places where you get quality food, but the experience. Really cool with the animatronics. I will be back. Yes, it's volcano time again. Daytime volcano time. Am I too late? But don't worry, it's always techno time at Downtown Disney. Go, Fire Island. Techno time. Before we leave, I do have to get spit on by Stitch, but look at this day. The boats aren't moving, but one more. You got one more in you? No. Alright, you're teasing me. Make our way around over there to the World of Disney. It just went off. You get spit on by Stitch. Oh, there. Right on the top. $59.95 here in Florida, Macbeth. We got the $21.95 in Hey Macbeth. They got your other Disney map. Number 2 of 95 still here. $31.95 and $37.95 Macbeth. This is the one. Here's a fun little thing, and I don't think these people know about it, but at the World of Disney, if you're standing in front of it, every like 30 seconds, Stitch will spit. There he goes. All right, let's see if we can catch him the next time. All right, come on, Stitch. So if you're watching them, then yes, more victims. Go, 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 Stitch. Go, get him. Ah, there it is. Well, we got back. It's about 7 o'clock now, and I think that's gonna do it. It's been a good 7 days. Been around. They have cleaned this place up within 24 hours, which is insane, but what a trip. Seen it a lot. Saw an alligator eat a turtle. We locked our safe. They had to put a drill through with a screw. Been in the Disney parks. Everything. It's really been interesting, and a hurricane. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everybody that said something. I really appreciate it, and let's go to California.